higher judiciary to protect your fundamental rights by providing these remedies. There are constitutional remedies which are built into the Constitution under Article 32 and 226. Through the writ jurisdiction, the courts can protect your fundamental rights. So judicial review per se is not explicitly mentioned in the Constitution, but the Supreme Court, the constitutional courts as well, they can invoke the power of judicial review because it is inferred from the Constitution. In fact, it has now been interpreted as a part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Various judgments, the Supreme Court has made it clear that the power of judicial review is part of the basic structure to protect the soul and the very essence of the Indian Constitution in spirit and law, to ensure that the Constitution is not undermined by the other organs of the state, that is your government and the legislature. The Supreme Court, which acts as the guardian, uses this extraordinary power of judicial review to protect the essence of the Indian Constitution. So there have been instances where
भाई ये लर्निंग लगा रखा है तो सामने क्यों चल रहा
the
है
extraordinary power of Article 142.
ऐसा ऐसा एक ठो लल्लू लाल मिल जाता है ना बस
Powers of the Parliament and the government as well. There are instances where the Supreme Court
मतलब
stepped
सो
in
गया है,
issuing
ऐसा लग रहा है।
policy guidelines.
ढलक रहा है इसका गाड़ी
Where the government had failed to address certain policy issues. There have been instances where Supreme Court has struck down certain laws as unconstitutional. It has struck down constitutional amendments as unconstitutional. So, has the Supreme Court become an authority on its own? Has the Supreme Court misused this power of judicial review? Because don't forget, at the end of the day, these judges are unelected. And unelected judges interfere with the powers of the elected members of the
तुम
parliament.
मेरे को सॉल्यूशन बताओ फिर अच्छा ठीक है अगर ये लोग अनइलेक्टेड हैं
disrupt the functioning of
तो
the popularly elected
क्या
government.
सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए
Doesn't that violate
स्टेट
democracy?
गवर्नमेंट फंक्शन ना करे
Because see, under the Indian Constitution,
और स्टेट
under the
अगर
scheme of things,
यूनियन अगर किसी तरह से
doctrine of
कुछ
separation
गलत
of
कर
powers
रहा है सिस्टम
is
अगर
very crucial.
अनजस्ट है तो भाई जुडिशरी को ही तो दिया गया है कि
The jurisdiction
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को
of
मेंटेन करे
three main pillars of the state: the executive, the legislature, that's your parliament, and the judiciary. They all have
अब
their
अगर
clear
legislature
mandates,
वाले
their
गलती कर
jurisdictions
रहे हैं,
drawn
मान
up.
लो।
One should not meddle with the other. One should not interfere with the other. But at the same time, the Supreme Court has this role, this pivotal role, to keep the executive under check, to hold
सही
the
बात है
government accountable,
एग्जीक्यूटिव
to ensure that the parliament as well functions within the mandate given under the Constitution. One can argue that shouldn't parliament be supreme?